In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bookmap multiple charts. Now to do this, first at the very top here, you can see there's going to be your current charts you have open, and of course there's this plus button. So first you want to click on Add Instrument, and you want to go ahead and basically add as many of these charts as you want, okay? So as you can see, I have 3 already, but of course you can just go here, select the platform, type, exchange, and then the symbol as well, and then you have advanced options as well. When you're ready, click on Subscribe, and it's going to pop up here just like this, okay? Now to actually use Bookmap as kind of multiple charts, what you have to do is the following. You could either click in between them, but of course that's not the most convenient way. So what you have to do, or what I usually do, is basically just click on one of these, just click and drag it out, and just release it anywhere over here, and as you can see, it's gonna open up as a new window. Now if I now go and pull this down like this, I can of course resize this window, so I can make it smaller like this. So for example, let's say I want to have this chart at the bottom of my screen like that. That's going to work perfectly, and I can then click on this previous one over here, pull it out as well, and I can then go and basically put it at the top. So if I do it like that, there we go. As you can see, it's allowing me to basically customize this and have multiple charts. So the first time you're doing this, it may be a bit of a hassle because of course kind of navigating this mouse around may not be the most convenient thing, but that's essentially how you can do it and how you can open multiple charts, okay? Usually I'm going to hide these things here at the bottom, so these widgets, and as you can see, there we go. I now have double charts over here, so I have one at the top and one at the bottom. Now of course you could do multiple as well. You could just click and pop out a different one like that as well, and you can also like position it however you want on your screen. So of course for this you'll need a bigger monitor to actually be able to see it, or you could go and place them like vertically as well, because in my case they are horizontal, okay? So that's how to use Bookmap multiple charts, and then if you want to go back, you can simply just go and basically close this one, open this one in full view, and there we go. That's how it's going to look like. So that's essentially it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.